whether it's telling lower courts to do this in more rare circumstances, whether it's actually precluding them from the top court giving a sort of edict down to the lower courts. That seemed to be where the uncertainty started to, boil down to today. It didn't seem like the justices were able to come up with a coherent sort of remedy. And meanwhile, even the Democratic states that were, suing against this birthright citizenship policy also agreed that, there are some issues with nationwide injunctions, because even President Joe Biden suffered a few whenever he was, back. For one, he wasn't really able to ever accomplish his, agenda when it came to promising, student loans and things like that.
Like that, right.
So, it is more of a bipartisan issue than people think, but because Trump is in office, obviously more of the complaints are coming from the right. So the question now is, what is going to happen whenever they finally rule on this issue? I was talking to some experts on this just earlier today. One of them being South Texas College of Law professor Josh Blackman. He had a interesting prediction. He said that if the Supreme Court wanted to solve this issue, they could have done it a long time ago.